I'll be trying Cheetos Crunchy Buffalo. I wonder how hot these will be. Let's see, what's in the ingredients? I'll let you can look at the ingredients. The nutrition. Anything really hot in here? Should be just cayenne and butter if they want a buffalo sauce. Vegetable oil, let's see. Alright, they got garlic hot sauce. And anything to simulate the butter? Buttermilk. No, I don't see butter. So it's just gonna be the hot sauce, like kind of like a Frank's hot sauce. Is that it? Definitely smells like hot sauce. Hold on just a second. I got my Frank's here. Let's see if it has the same smell. No, not quite. Okay. Put some in here. Yeah. No concentrated flavor at the bottom. Okay. See if I can find a. These look like a regular Cheetos, really. Maybe a little darker red in color. Probably from the cayenne. See if we can find a nice one loaded with looks like the pretty even distribution of the okay, so let's just get one here. Yeah, the initial taste in my mouth was the cheddar. The regular Cheetos cheddar taste. And you get that kind of a hot sauce taste. The cayenne. And a little bit of heat lingers. I'd call it a mild heat. Let's clear the palate. I like this one. I'm usually not a big fan of the Cheetos. But this one works for me. You stop. So, This one's a good one. You get the cheddar, you get the cayenne sauce flavor. It's a nice one. I like this one.